According to Sokazela, Mamelodi Sundowns senior coach Manqoba Mngqithi is keen on joining Kaizer Chiefs next season, according to the insiders. According to the latest transfer gossip, Mngqithi is a potential long-term head coach candidate for the Amakhosi. Kevin Johnson took over as interim coach in October 2023 following the sacking of Molefi John. Johnson is, however, expected to return to his role as head of academy at Naturena at the end of the season, meaning a new coach is set to arrive at the club. And now reports suggest Manqoba Mngqithi won't be extending his contract at Mamelodi Sundowns, which comes to a close at the end of the season. The Kaizer Chiefs job is one that appeals to him more, but don't be surprised if Amazulu come calling again if things don't go according to plan with their current coach at the end of the season, an insider reported. The publication further claimed Flus will likely make his debut for the club when the DStv Premiership resumes following the ongoing AFCON break. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.